This is Money Travels. Today I am in Kampot, Cambodia, and we're going to try the $1 sandwich and an iced lemon tea. So we're right here at the big circle in the heart of downtown, and check this out. If you guys are down at Kampot, this is where you come to get the maximum delicious, right across the street from Pasta Corner. Let's dive in and check this out. First thing is, you guys are gonna notice there's a ton of street food here, and sandwiches, fish, soup, anything you guys like. You guys don't want to miss this. If you guys are either holiday here or you're an expat looking for new things and you're new in town, this is definitely a place you don't want to miss. All right, guys, this is the iced tea. It's called lemon tea here in Cambodia, and she's gonna make it for us real quick here, and then we're gonna go get these sandwiches, and we're gonna have a delicious lunch. Let's check this out. Oh, look at that, amazing. So this is where you get coffee, the street stands. Usually they're about 50 cents to $1, depending where you go. Kampot's a lot cheaper than Siem Reap. That's why I like Kampot, because everything's made fresh. Look at that. That's fresh squeezed lemon juice right there, guys. Lemon tea at its best. And I was going to do a great job here, right? All right. All right, let's see her whip up magic. She's doing a great job, everybody. Yeah, leave your likes, comments, and suggestions down below. Let me know what you guys think about the video. And would you drink a lemon tea or not? My favorite in Cambodia, and I come here all the time. They do a great job. I'm in her way. Look at that, they just whip it up with a little stir there, and they're gonna get presto any minute. This is your 50-cent lemon tea right here in Cambodia. All right, she's doing a great job, everybody. Yeah, amazing time. Oh yeah, look at that, delicious. I'm gonna order a delicious meatball sandwich, very popular right here in Cambodia. Oh, can I get the meatball sandwich? Very long, yeah? Can I do? Yeah? Very good? Okay, more for me, yeah? All right, guys, let's check this out. All right, this card here, everybody, is a meatball sub sandwich right here, and let's check it out here. She's cooking us some meatballs right now in the fryer. How you doing, On? Oh my goodness, look at that. Seasoned to perfection, right? All right, let's check it out. Here we go, she's making it fresh. What I love about Cambodia is everything's so fresh. The bread is crispy. It's going to be toasted and warm. Eat your heart out, Subway. These guys do it best. Look at that. Oh my goodness. A little garlic butter to put on the bread, and we're going to toast it, right? We're going to toast it. Okay. Fresh vegetables, straight from the field, grown locally. Can't beat that. Are you guys hungry yet? You guys, I'm curious, would you eat this if you were in Cambodia? Because I eat this all the time. It's one of my favorite places to eat here. It's delicious. Oh my goodness, my mouth is watering. Are you guys hungry yet? Leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'm curious, would you guys eat this? All the bread here is baked fresh, very crispy, very fresh, and baked locally, most importantly. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Right out of the fryer, guys. Delicious. Wow. Everybody in America is going to be like craving it. They're going to have to come just to eat this sandwich. These guys have one of the best meatball sandwiches in anywhere in Kampot. Maybe the whole country. I don't know. It's amazing. Let's see what she's got here. Look at the sauce. Look at the sauce. Oh my goodness. I told her to make it spicy, so she's going to make it spicy. Yeah. Load it up. Homemade spicy. This is not your Tabasco. Wow. Oh my goodness, look at that, delicious. Oh yeah, I'm starving like Marvin. All right, On, yeah, let's do it up. Doing a great job, everybody. We're gonna go right next door here in a minute, okay? And we're gonna check out a couple more places here for sandwiches. And they've got a different style, but right now I'm just getting my lunch here, and we're going to eat this up. Okay, let me pay for this. All right, we're gonna come up the backside here, On. Show us some delicious, On. This is amazing, guys. Look at this. Oh my God. More of that fresh baked bread, only Cambodia is known for. And let's see some of the delicious we got here, On. Now, what are we making here? I think she's got some kind of like pizza toast. They cut these in half, they put the garlic, and then put the delicious on there. Check it out, guys. She's on a motorbike. This is like standard here in Cambodia. You wonder why the costs are so low, because there's no overhead. Okay, let's check her out. Let's check her in action here. Oh my goodness, doing a great job, Owen. Wow. Look at that. Maybe I gotta buy this too. I don't know. This looks exceptionally delicious. Now I'm curious what this is. Is this seafood on there? Seafood? No. I see the corn. We got some chives. There's some onions. Wow. And he just chops it like with scissors. That's incredible. Wow. They got quite the little assembly line going on here too. This is definitely a place you don't want to miss, guys, when you're down here in Kampot visiting, or if you're moving here. This is my go-to place to eat because I love Cambodia and I love Cambodia food. Let's go check out one more place. All right, real quick, I had to order one of those. I'm so hungry. I'm like, you know what? I probably won't eat it all, but at least I can try it out. Let's check out the fruit juicy stand right here. One of the things I love best about right here in Cambodia is all the juices are fresh, okay? You guys, I can't tell you how fresh they are because everything is literally handpicked. Not many things are imported here anymore. As a result, you get the freshest and the most delicious. Let's check it out. We also got some delicious coffee for those of you like mid-afternoon. So stay on. Yeah, doing a great job. This is all right here, guys. It's like a food court, but on the street. They got everything you need here. Fresh fruit juice, fresh coffee, fresh everything. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This place is so popular. Look at all the people here waiting. It's a very popular place. She's got the best sandwiches in town. I think I'm like order number 45. All right, before I forget, everybody, there's a great place here, one of my favorite. Okay, we like this place here. I want to say hello to them real quick. All right, guys, when you're down here, this is right here by the big old durian fruit, and these guys here are a new place here. Like I said, the Savory Show. This is her favorite place, and this is where we get all the delicious. Look how they do here, guys. If you guys haven't checked me out yet on the TikTok and the Facebook, by all means, Mahoney Travels. I got a nice little plug for these guys. Come down here when you guys are here in town. Thank you, brother. All right, this is crazy food right here. Oh my goodness. Let's go dig in and let's go see how it tastes. Stay tuned to the end of the video for the good, the bad, and for what it's worth. All right, you guys know Mahoney Travels. I love my street food, and I've been all over this country, amazing country of Cambodia, and I can't get enough of the street food. And this video today is about value as well as taste and just freshness, because you cannot beat Cambodia when it comes to freshness. They are number one. All right, first bite, first impression. Look at that delicious. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, we got some meatballs in there. Oh, fresh veggies. Oh. All right, unless you guys have been here, I just can't describe you the freshness. The bread is lightly crispy inside and toasted on the outside with that garlic butter you guys saw when they were making it. And it's so fresh. It's not been baked in some huge factory and shipped 10 states away like they do in America. This is fresh. The vegetables, look at this. You guys see my other videos, right off the tree. And the value, come on, for $1, you can't go wrong with $1 price tag. You guys can live like kings and queens right here in Cambodia and eat the freshest, most delicious food you've ever had. If you don't believe me, come to Cambodia and tell me I'm wrong. All right. Now, I know a lot of people think Thailand street food, they think India street food, but right here, Cambodia, they're the reign supreme when it comes to street food because it's a very underserved market, and until you've been here, you just don't know. I've been everywhere, and I can tell you Cambodia street food is my absolute favorite. Yes, if you're a little heebie-jeebie on the street food, I've never been sick. I've lived here 2.5 years, and I couldn't be more happier. Now, I tried this here. You guys saw this was like a surprise. Check this one out. All right, ready? I don't know what's in here, but it looks darn delicious. All right, so I don't know what this stuff is here, but it's really, really good. We got the corn, the chives, and the cheese, and a lot of like onions there. Wow. If you guys want to see more cheap street eats right here in Cambodia, click the like and subscribe button and let me know. I will make some more. All All right, the moment you've been waiting for, the good, the bad, and for what it's worth. The good is the food here is incredibly fresh. I mean, it is either fresh picked, fresh killed, and fresh in your belly all in one day. Nowhere else, very few places actually left in the world where that can actually happen. This is like 1800s America. No food conglomerates here. Get your heart out, craft. Cambodian food, if you've never been here, it is packed full of flavor. Like so lots of garlic, lots of onion, and just they use a lot of natural plants to make everything just pop. I mean, it's just like an explosion in your mouth of flavor like I've never had before. And I've been all over the world, and I can tell you Cambodia blows my mind on the street food scene. As always, I try to be a good critic, and I try to find one bad. I will say this, if you were EBGB about any street food anywhere and you've got to have your meat killed a month ago coming into your grocery store right there in America, and it's frozen, then hey, by all means, stay in America. But for those of you like me that are adventurous and you guys want some super fresh, super delicious food, Cambodia will blow your mind. All right, for what it's worth, I can't stop eating this. Last thing is, if you guys are going to be in Kampot Cambodia, look me up, Mahoney Travels, on my Facebook, my Instagram, or my TikTok. I've got my Telegram and my WhatsApp available for you guys. If you guys are going to be in Kampot or Siem Reap and you guys want to do a food tour with me, I'd love to see you. Reach out to me and let me know before you arrive. But until next time, guys, safe travels from Mahoney Travels. I'll see you guys in the next video.